Hi kids, welcome to my channel Kids Quest, educational channel. So let's get started, the video.
Yay!
Good morning, Mom. Breakfast smells delicious. What are we having today?
Good morning, Ethan. Today, I made your favorite, pancakes with fresh berries and a little bit of honey. I also made some scrambled eggs on the side.
Yum, I love pancakes. Thanks, Mom. Breakfast is my favorite meal of the day.
I'm glad you like it, sweetie. Breakfast is important because it gives us energy to start the day. How do you feel about eating breakfast every morning?
I think it makes a big difference. When I have a good breakfast, I feel more awake and ready for school. Plus, it's nice to sit down and eat with you before the day gets busy.
That's true, Ethan. Breakfast gives us a moment to slow down and spend time together. It's a good way to start the day on a positive note.
I agree, and I like trying different things for breakfast too. Sometimes we have cereal, sometimes toast with peanut butter, and today it's pancakes. It's fun to mix it up.
Variety is important to Ethan. It helps you get all the nutrients you need to stay healthy. What's your favorite breakfast food?
That's a tough one. I love pancakes, but I also really like oatmeal with fruit. It's warm and filling, especially on cold days.
Oatmeal is a great choice. It's full of fiber, which keeps you full longer and helps you concentrate better at school. Maybe we can try making oatmeal tomorrow with some apples and cinnamon.
That sounds delicious, Mom. I'd love that. What's your favorite breakfast food?
I really enjoy having a smoothie in the morning. I blend up some spinach, banana, and yogurt. It's quick, healthy, and gives me lots of energy.
That sounds yummy. I've tried your smoothies before, and they're really good. Maybe we can make one together sometime.
I'd love that, Ethan. We can add some of your favorite fruits too, like strawberries or mango. It's a fun way to get your daily servings of fruit.
That sounds like a great idea. I'm learning so much about healthy eating from you, Mom. I want to make sure I'm eating the right things to stay healthy.
I'm proud of you for thinking about that, Ethan. Eating well helps you grow strong and gives you the energy to do all the things you love. It's all about making good choices and enjoying what you eat.
Thanks, Mom. I'm going to finish my pancakes now, so I have lots of energy for school today.
That's the spirit. I'm glad we had this time together, Ethan. Breakfast is not just about food, it's also about sharing moments like this.
I love our breakfast talks, Mom. It's a great way to start the day. I'm ready to take on whatever comes my way today.
And I know you'll do great, Ethan. Let's finish our breakfast and then get you ready for school. It's going to be a wonderful day. This conversation emphasizes the importance of eating a healthy breakfast and spending quality time with family, setting a positive tone for the day ahead.
Hey kids, thanks for tuning into Kids Quest. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome adventures. See you next time.